RDDT Stock Analysis and Price Predictions for tomorrow and onward. Is it a buy? We'll watch this 2-minute video till the end to find out. Okay, dude, I am the only guy in the space with 49,000 live trades and analysis videos over the last 5 years in these channels, and here's what's working for me. You know, with all this data, I'm seeing what's working and what's not. Beforehand, you can see with Reddit, I've been just looking it up all the time. Here, even like in my most recent video on Reddit, I was just anticipating new higher highs to be met, and that's exactly what's been happening with it. I mean, even if I search here in my Discord, you will see that there's a bunch of previous receipts. I have 12 previous receipts with Reddit. Bottom line is that I'm still very freaking bullish in this market. Randomly buying, obviously not gonna happen, but all I'm saying is that I'm super excited to wait for it and get my rules met. Now, am I gonna get my rules met? No one knows. So all I can wait for is just my confirmation here. And if that's met, I'm very excited to start buying this market. You know what I mean? So obviously not financial advice, but if you want to get my exact 3-step technical strategy that I've refined over the last 5 years completely free, link is in the description. Bye bye.